These stupid mistakes can crush an easy colon cleanse. Hi, I'm Sam and I really know the feeling of a bad digestion due to a sluggish colon which results in low energy, headaches and an overall uncomfortable feeling in the body. And like you, most of the stuff about colon cleanse I've tried didn't really work well for me. But it wasn't until I avoided the following 6 mistakes and turned them into habits that I started seeing fast improvements with my colon health. Are you ready for them? Here we go. Mistake number 1. Overeating. You don't have to overeat if you're hoping for an intestinal flush. If you overeat, you will make a mistake. Does that mean that you can't eat in any case? No, you should try to eat healthy, but try to make a food habit that is healthy for your body. This is the best way to make sure you're as healthy as possible and give your digestive organs a chance to be healthy. If you overeat, you will feel bloated and low energy, so this should be avoided by all means. Mistake number 2. Eating simple sugars. Simple sugars should be avoided by all means. The sugar itself doesn't affect your colon cleanse, but it makes your body work unnecessarily harder because it transforms sugar into body fat. Also, it significantly increases your blood sugar levels, which may result in food cravings. During your natural colon cleanse, what you eat and drink is the most important factor for success. Simple sugar can be found in almost anything, and if you don't control the amount you consume, it will begin to affect your colon cleanse. Not only is the intestinal cleanse affected, it can also lead to health issues, especially weight gain and diabetes. Mistake number 3. Excessive fiber intake. It's one thing to eat a ton of fiber and something else to almost overdose it. An excessive amount of anything will be terrible for your body. Some people think that more of anything is better, but in this case, getting too much of it just will make things worse instead of helping during your colon cleanse. If you eat too much fiber in your eating routine, you will overload your digestive system and clog your colon. You will feel constipated and maybe sometimes nauseous. So control your fiber intake in a sensible way. Mistake number 4. Useless colon cleanse supplements. Some people think that taking artificial colon cleanse supplements will make the colon cleanse easier without any effort. But be aware that most of these products aren't properly tested and approved by health institutes. You can't be sure about the quality of ingredients. Most of these products contain useless ingredients which don't work properly, so create your own natural home remedies instead. Mistake number 5. Rushing it. Of course, everyone wants to see quick results, but in order to get a complete colon cleanse, take your time and listen to your body. This is a long-term game to enable a sustainable and healthy colon, so schedule your colon cleanse properly. If necessary, do it during holidays or vacation days. If you want it quick and dirty, the results will be bad and you will need to repeat it again. So, in total, you would spend even more time and energy. Mistake number 6. Not listening to your body. You must recognize that there are so many components that may become the most important factor when you're cleaning your colon. You can't expect your body to respond in a gentle way if you are too harsh to your body. This is never the case. Everyone is different and that's why you have to focus on what your body tells you. It's not right to just read something up in a magazine and try to apply it for your own body. So try different colon cleanses and see the results for yourself. Finally, you will find the perfect colon cleanse treatment which works for your body. There you have it. Work all 5 of those into your daily routine and within a week or 2 you will notice significant changes in your colon health. But usually something more powerful is required to colon cleanse faster and without preparation of special meals and drinks during your busy days. Luckily, there are some other all-natural but high-powered home treatments out there that can improve your colon health fast and easy. To learn more about a powerful colon cleanse treatment called Digested that works fast and super easy from home, just go to coloncleansehelper.com/digest or click on the link in the video description below. By the way, this is just a testimonial from Amber who is regularly using Digested. Just have a quick look what she has to say about her results.
I no longer need coffee to get going in the morning, and I have lost the desire for the most unhealthy foods that I was consuming.
So as you can see, Digested works great for Amber and many other people. So again, you can get Digested in the link below or go to coloncleansehelper.com/digest. Type that in or click the link in the video description below. My name is Sam and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can find any video I release whenever I release them. Also watch one of my other videos to improve your colon health. Share this video with your friends and comment below if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to help. I'll see you in the next video.